Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here at Waylos, we chat all about getting more done in less time. The name of the game is life shortcuts here for an easier day and more time for the life we want. So if that's you, if that's your thing, please hit subscribe and say hi in the comments. And today I want to show you 3 ways that I use my planner to track daily habits or daily things to do. Now, I just started testing out the Happy Planner. I bought the dashboard layout and I also got the color block layout. So it was the only 2 that were on sale at Michael's. So I got a great deal, but I'm liking the color block layout right now. And as you can see, I've been playing around with some stickers. I'm liking it, I'm digging it. So today I'm going to take you with me for a quick weekly plan with me in the color block layout and show you the different parts of the planner that I use for daily tracking. Right now I'm tracking 3 things in my planner: my daily goal of writing 500 words per day, my daily cleaning list, and my daily brush lettering practice, which is going horribly. Thanks for asking, because I am left-handed. If you have any left-handed brush lettering tips, drop them in the comments. I will love you forever. Before we get to the decorating and planning, I want to show you the first place where I keep track of my cleaning list. It's all the way in the front. So I can never keep track of the last time I cleaned something to know when I should clean it again. For example, like the bed sheets should be cleaned every week, and I can never remember what day of the week I cleaned them last, and it gets annoying. So I've been writing down what room I cleaned on the date I cleaned it in my planner, and that got a little messy in my month calendar, and it wasn't helpful in my week layout since I would have to keep flipping backwards to check the last time I did something. So I decided to make a running list of the date and what I cleaned. And since I just started testing on Happy Planner, I had no idea that they had this awesome year at a glance area. This set of pages at the very beginning is literally a list of each day of the year. And as you can see, this type of tracking takes a little bit getting used to. I broke the chain twice already. But the way this works is that you have a list of what was done, so you know what rooms to pick from when you feel like cleaning. And it also can help develop a habit of daily cleaning, like a little bit at a time or room at a time. So it's not one huge cleaning day once a week, unless that's your thing. There are plenty of people who find a cleaning day therapeutic, like part of their weekly reset, but that's not me. So that's the year at a glance pages that are helping me so much with keeping track of cleaning every day. So that's number 1. Now I got these 3 sticker books for 50% off at Joann's. They were having a sale, which is a total steal. These things are like $20 each. And I'm gonna quickly spruce up the coming week. I'm a total noob at this, so please be gentle. I can't believe there's no picture day picture in this entire mom sticker pack. I'm really surprised about that, so I'm going to try and doodle my own camera right now. We'll see how it goes. There we go. Not too bad. So place number 2, where I can track my daily progress, is with a little habit tracker box on the space side of the weekly layout. And I grabbed these out of my old Erin Condren life planner that I used last year. I did not end up using a lot of the stickers. And I think I'll go with this color. And I'm going to write in brush lettering so I can check it off each day that I practice. And I don't want to like break the chain. I did that last week and I broke the chain over here. I think I'll also use little like check marks instead of filling in the boxes because that didn't look very pretty. So here's the end product so far. And as the week goes by, I may add a sticker or two, depending on my mood. I'm really trying to lean into decorating. I've never really done it before, and I could really use a change of scenery and a change of routine for the better. I'm sure that you can relate to. Okay, so now for the pen. And this is the last place that I keep my daily tracker, is on each day of the weekly spread. So I have a 500 word a day personal goal for writing. And so I try to put it right up here so that I keep it at the top of my mind, top of the planner, top of my mind, and make sure that I can check it off at the end of each day. You guys can see my handwriting gets considerably messier the longer I write. I wonder if anybody else does that. I almost made it last week with the 500 words. I missed 2 days, so hopefully this week will be a little bit better. And I missed 1 day of letter practicing, brush lettering practicing last week. So hopefully things will go a little bit smoother this week. So those are the 3 ways that I'm using daily trackers in my Happy Planner: by writing one personal goal at the top of each day, by having a tracker on the side of the weekly spread, and also utilizing these year at a glance pages at the very front of the planner. So cool. I've never seen these before. I've never used a Happy Planner before. So next week's video is going to be all about how I actually plan my week, about how I decide what tasks go into my planner each week to make sure that I'm moving forward with all the different parts of my life and my family, my home, and all of that. So thank you so much for coming along with me today. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Those 2 little clicks help me out so much. And if you have any questions or requests for videos, just drop them in the comments. And I'll see you next week.